news and notice on your website, you're going to click on this red News and Notices button. When we click on this, we get a nice pop-up. This is going to request all of the information that we need to post our notice. So we're going to give our notice a title. Make sure that you are selecting a category. On the News and Notices category, we'll put it under the News and Notices section on your homepage. Down here, this is going to be a standard text editor that you can use to write any content that you would like or copy and paste any content that you would like. And you can add your featured image. If it's an image that's on your computer, you can click Upload Image to add this image to your website. Or you can click on Media Library if it's an image that already exists on the website. So this will allow you to reuse the same images over and over. You don't have to store it somewhere on your computer and look for it every single time because you can have it in your media library. From here, you can also add a new image to your media library so you can use it again next time, or you can use the search bar to look for just the right picture that you're looking for. Down here, we also have the option to schedule a post. So if you want this news and notice to post in the future, just change the from date. So select the date that you would like, and then click on this green select button. And you can also adjust the time by clicking on this little clock. So if we wanted this to go out at 10 a.m., for example, we could do that. And again, make sure that you are clicking this green select button to confirm that. If you would like this post to expire at a certain time, so if it's an event and after the event has passed, you don't want it to show up anymore, you can select the date under 2. Again, pick your date and make sure that you are hitting that green select button. And same thing, if you would like to have it expire at a certain time, you can just click on the clock and click on select. Once everything is done and looking the way you would like, click save. And this is going to publish your news and notice. If you need to make any edits to a news or notice that's already been posted, you can go under your News and Notices tab. And when you hover over, you get these little options over here, so you can either delete it, or if you click on this pencil, that will allow you to modify the news and notice. You'll get your same exact pop-up that you had before. And of course, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us at support@townweb.com. Thanks.